Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to screen mirror using your Samsung phone or Android phone to your TV. Now here we have my Samsung phone and in the background I have a Samsung based TV and the phone is the S24 Ultra. It doesn't really matter what phone it is as long as it's Samsung or Android, it works similarly. And of course here I have the TV. Now I'm going to show you to screen mirror your your phone to your TV. It's quite easy, meaning that anything that's played on the phone will show up on the TV. It's great for viewing your pictures. It's also great for viewing anything that you may have access to on your phone on this screen here. It doesn't matter what it is, it will show up on the bigger screen. Great for pictures, as I just said. And I find that I can do other stuff such as YouTube and so on. So if I have data on this and not on the TV, I can actually use this as one of the methods to play content across devices. All right. So here we go in terms of what to do to screen mirror. All right. So on your device or your smartphone, you're going to go ahead and make sure that you're connected to the internet and make sure that the internet is also connected to the TV so they're both on the same network. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the notifications. So we're gonna swipe down from the left and you're gonna swipe down again. All right, quick faster way to get here would be to swipe down from the right. So once you're here, you're gonna search for this symbol here that says Smart View. Now, Smart View is what we're gonna use. It's installed on Samsungs by default. So the Smart View app is going to on the mirroring. So we're gonna hit Start Smart View. All right, now it's scanned and here it goes. It has detected all the TVs in the house. And of course, this one is a Samsung, the 32-inch in the background. So we're gonna tap that one, which was previously connected. It will ask for a password if it's the first time. The password will appear on screen. Simply copy. That's a security measure to make sure nobody, like for example, outside the house, can just automatically connect to your TV. So go ahead and tap. And notice it says connecting. Allow it to do its thing. Should be easy. Notice it says it's connected to my S24 up there. All right, so it's connected, and as you can see, it's simply mirroring what's on that screen there. Do note if it takes a very long time, you can simply power the TV off with the remote and power it back on, and it will correct very easily. Because sometimes it's just a slight bug, but simply power on or power off the TV and power it back on. All right, so as you can see here, I have a connected picture, and as you see, the picture that's shown here is displayed here, and you can scroll through. You can also press here to hide away that control, and as you can see as well, I'm able to easily navigate the screen. All right, so it's quite easy. Videos as well will play, and everything should work according as normal. All right, so that's it. When you're finished, you can simply close out the connection. So notice it says you can change aspect ratio in case it's not wide enough, or you can pause Smart View or simply disconnect, and it will disconnect and you're back to your TV. All right, so hope that helps. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.